Bitcoin, BX, is still trading above an important long-term support level and is expected to eventually make another attempt at breaking out above $. Overcoming this resistance, or rejection from it, will likely determine the direction of the macro trend. Bitcoin weekly consolidations weekly chart shows that BX is still trading above the long-term dollar support level. After validating the area with a lower wick 2 weeks ago, the price consolidated above it. As it stands, the movement looks like a retest of a previous resistance area which is now likely to act as support. Technical indicators are bullish. The RC is above 50 and has possibly begun to increase, and the stochastic oscillator is doing the same. There is no bearish divergence developing. BX struggles to overcome resistance at daily chart, supports the presence of buying pressure, as evidenced by the bullish engulfing candlestick created on Sept 24 and the long lower wick on Oct 2. However, BX is facing very strong resistance at $, which is also the 0.618 fib level and a previous support area. The dollar resistance also coincides with a potential descending resistance line connecting the two most recent lower highs. Until Bitcoin can successfully break out above this level, the upward trend is not confirmed. Technical indicators are bullish. The MAC is increasing and has almost reached the positive territory. Stochastic RC has made a bullish cross and is moving upward. However, the RC is below 50 and faces resistance from the descending line. Based on technical indicators, it seems likely that BX will retest the dollar area once more. Short-term movement. In the shorter-term 2-hour chart, we can see that the price was rejected at the 0.618 fib level and also validated the previous ascending support line. If the price fails to clear this level, it could decrease towards $, before making another attempt at breaking out. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.